it cold?
You guys know?
Pet frog. Where is he? Where is he?
What's
He
it?
disappeared. Pet frog. He don't like the camera, does he?
He's got to step on your camera.
Okay, get in. I want to see you get in as cold as it is outside. Sit down.
Why?
Isn't that what you wanted to do? Is it cold on that bite?
He's got to get out. Mommy, make sure he doesn't get out.
You got it. Okay, Mommy can get him. I agree. Mommy can get him. Oops. Ah.
He's really fast.
Yeah, he is. You silly frog. I'm afraid he's gonna.
Yeah. Don't want him to kill me.
Hear him yelling at me? I don't think he likes you being in his pond. He's gonna try to get right back out. While you're in there, he's not gonna stay in there. It has become his.
Mommy, that's the
Now
king.
you're wet.
Mommy, that's the king.
That's the what?
That's the king.
Is he the king of the pond? I don't blame you. You! Looks like you may be taking a bath early today. You're wet. Like the frog.
Mommy,
Playing with the mud.
Mommy,
What?
I want you to put the frog in there and put the lid on.
No, I'm not going to put a lid on it, but it looks like he wants to jump out again. Look at him. Oh, Gregory. Mommy caught him last time. He's ready to go home. He lives, Gregory, he lives around here anyway. I see him every day. Now he's going that way. Gregory, you're going to make yourself sick. He's right here. You grab him. Grab him. He's smart. Go back there. Go back there. Get him. He's over here. He's right there. Woo! Ah! Got him. He got out. He scared me. Got him.
Now, put the lid on it.
Well, he's not going anywhere right now unless the box starts moving.